Hi everybody, it's Mike bringing you another video of the Hellcat. This is the speaker system that is in it. It's Harman and Kardon. It was the top of the line that was I think option. So one thing I didn't show you guys was the sound system in this car. It's completely and utterly dope. So we're actually going to do that right now. Put my tag behind the seat. My leather instructions. It's Elmo Lagu. It's kind of comical, right? So I'm going to start her up. Okay. So the red key is in use. It allows me to access the race mode. That's what the red key basically is for. I'm just guessing. Okay, so hands-free system is available. All right, we're going to go to audio. I want to make sure that we are running a nice little audio mix, so we're doing surround sound. It's definitely on. So it says it's not available on all models, but this one it has it in. Increases volume relative to the speed of the vehicle. So the faster I drive, the louder this gets, but I don't need that. Equalizer. I'm going to turn the bass up all the way, just so we can see exactly what it's like with the bass up all the way. And we're going to turn the treble down to about 1 below. I'm going to go over to radio. We're going to go to FM. Let's see, it's 50 Cent that's on right now. Menu man. So what we're going to do, we're going to shut the windows, pop the trunk. Nope, that was the wrong one. Pop the trunk. I popped the hood instead of the trunk. We'll shut the windows. And turn, let's see. This is 25. Shut my hood being I opened it by accident. Now, I'm listening to music on 25 in there. I'm bumping, but you're not hearing it on the outside, which is fine. I'm completely fine with that, you know. It says key fob left the vehicle, so it's still on me. So, but another thing I wanted to show you that's cool with this car, that I forgot to show you guys. Damn, it's crazy. Is what's in the trunk. This car comes with a stock dual subwoofers in the trunk, which is fucking dope. So when we're popping,
She gonna answer. She gonna tell you.
Get rich or die trying. He was like, I'm with this right here.
5. You know how 50 had a little.
So we're gonna turn it all the way up.
With the odds, look like a Royce dealership every time I bring out my cars.
I don't know, what do you think? So I'm gonna drop the top. Sort of still hear it, but it doesn't rattle, which is nice. I'm doing sound system completely full loud. You could hardly hear it with it closed. Feeling about myself, my heart is sharp and dark. I park right by your crib. I say I'm lost. I hope you help. You think too slick I am. My soul go nigga like down. My fast for work, I'm barely home, so all my sessions. Not bad for not having to spend thousands of dollars. Never know I don't listen. Got insurance. All right, everybody. That's it for the Hellcat. This is the audio test on it. It's 38, not bad. Sounds great. Looks sexy. Especially after I washed and waxed it yesterday. Polishing the rims and tires.